The Handmade Carpet Export Promotion Council, along with the entire team at the Textile Ministry, is totally focused and pledged to take the story of an Indian artisan or weaver across the world to each household and, most importantly, preserve its respect as an artist, not just as an artisan. After all, a handmade, one-of-a-kind, unique product that adorns our floors is not only totally made of biodegradable products but also has a long life and has hand of an artisan's family behind it. So next time when you see a handmade rug anywhere, don't forget to see a happy and smiling family somewhere in a village in rural India in it. They passed on from one generation to another. For them, weaving handmade carpets is a tradition and a way of life. But now the rural sector of handmade carpet industry has also grown up to a very modern and competitive manufacturing zone. Handmade carpet industry largely contributes in giving rural employment, and about 2 million plus people are employed in this industry. Besides this, Indian carpet industry is bringing great pride to the weaving community. The handmade carpet business has grown extensively over the last 20 years. It has now become a little more organized. Whether it is hand-knotted, hand-tufted or chain-stitch rugs, or hand-woven, or hand-loomed, or handmade, or dari, or rag rug, or shaggy, or kilim. There are many different kinds of raw materials used in handmade carpet making, from wool to silk, to cotton, to nylon, to rayon, to bamboo, to hemp, to linen, rags, to recycled saris or jeans, and so much more. There are more processes of making carpet before it is finished: the washing, drying, and burning for the perfect smoothness. In the end, the bonding and tying of the edges. During the entire process of making handmade carpet, every precaution is taken to be environment conscious and friendly. In recent years, the demand for tufted handmade carpet is far more grown than handmade knotted carpet. Handmade tufted carpet can be woven in myriad style and fabric to suit changing trends. The affordability of tufted handmade carpets makes them very popular. There are many medical facilities provided to handmade carpet weavers across India, and primary schooling for the children of the weavers, especially the primary areas of handmade carpet manufacturing like Kashmir, Bhadohi, Agra, Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, or Jaipur in Rajasthan. They all have one thing in common, and that is crafting India's future through its artisans. The increasing number of countries that are importing the handmade carpets from India is rising further day by day. Indian carpet industry currently has 35% market share for handmade carpet exports globally. This speaks volumes about what future holds for the carpet industry across the world, and most of it from India. We are not leaving any stone unturned to keep this steady growth rate growing. They are helping, educating, and providing every possible support and guidance to handmade carpet manufacturers, artisans, and weavers by providing in-depth understanding in R&D, quality maintenance, and delivery of finished products across the globe.